Everybody, Alex Kaufman here with Teifke Real Estate. We are here in Opportunity City, and today I want to talk to you about the benefits of wholesaling, especially if you are a new real estate investor and you're looking to dive into the game. So first, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and roll that intro. All right, so the benefits to wholesaling. Wholesaling is an option that Matt and I always keep on the table with every single property that we're looking at. We like to have multiple exit strategies, and wholesaling is always one of them. The reason we like wholesaling real estate is we're able to get in and get out. And sometimes we're able to make a very large profit on deals, whether it's, single family home, whether it is a commercial apartment complex, whether it is a commercial business warehouse park. You can wholesale anything, and we really like to keep that option open just in case a better opportunity comes up and it makes more sense for us to wholesale the deal. What is wholesaling? So wholesaling is where you are assigning the contract. You're assigning your equitable interest in the property. You're not buying the property, but what you are doing is you are selling your right to buy the property to somebody else. So you have it under contract. You have the right to buy that property at a certain price on certain terms. Somebody else wants to buy that property, and you are assigning that contract to them, and it'll be at a higher price, and you're keeping the difference between your price and the price you're assigning it at. Reason I think this is good for new real estate investors is, first of all, you don't have to have a lot of money to wholesale. All you really need is option and earnest money for residential contracts. And then for commercial contracts, all you need is an earnest money deposit. So depending on what you negotiate there, the terms can be very low for those deposits. Another reason why I think it's good is that it'll really get you out there to start looking at deals, analyzing deals, talking to sellers, talking to homeowners, learning the market, and just getting out there and getting in the game. I think that a lot of people may hesitate jumping into the game because maybe they don't have a large down payment, maybe they don't have a pre-approval from a lender. Well, when you approach it of the mindset of, hey, I can wholesale anything, and I don't need to have a ton of money, and I don't need to have a large line of credit, and I don't need to have a pre-approval from a lender, then it really opens up the doors for you to get out there and get busy. This is honestly one of my favorite exit strategies. We love to buy real estate, and we love to buy and hold real estate for a long period of time. However, unfortunately, we don't just have endless amounts of cash, and sometimes it makes more sense for us to wholesale properties as opposed to close on it, and to utilize the cash that we do have to buy bigger and better deals. We don't always wholesale the best deals. We try and buy those. However, to a lot of other investors and to a lot of other buyers, they may love the opportunity to buy a property that we have under contract, and it just makes more sense for us to wholesale it to them than to buy and close on it ourselves. You get in, you get out, you take that cash, and then you can go put it into a bigger and better real estate deal. If you guys need help with wholesaling, or if you need help analyzing a deal, drop a comment below. We're happy to help. Reach out to us and just let us know whatever we can do to help add value to you, and we'll see you next time.